Hey, I am so for Capone 96. Someone we need to. I would be shy. You ready? I have grown one. And then we have a question. I didn't kakra. And you know me adofo. To see yare coronavirus actually atu say ewo ewiase mu se ama krobia omo hihye omo ansi ano China in a hona sa yare we efi buy na so se ano Italy ebi ewo no eni China na emu wa pa omo di agoragoro ama esi ano yare no ababetu omo ewo Italy ha say esi Italy abia me video wo no ye na yeto so 2 Upia bontia, obia the max will be or a share Neheni say because obi kasa entumima effect no. But sa video we no me a message me di suma Ghana ana Africa for ayo no mo say yen for say betumi aboy ye ho ban pa efisa ade we mema ye din say ade ni abedu ye enti no ijare no eslo ebia blacks na so no nyankopon adom na adom ye intina sadu enyam embedu ye ho ba me pesa me kasa ebewa ya de so na fa say ndere ye ba besua ade pa message we ema immigration officers custom officers a police for any me fa say military for uba Italy ha army any police for any omunya ma ka bom say ina omubua Italy mine no metumi ahwe no mesisa case we are anayade coronavirus we are aba ni di COVID-19 no COVID-19 amafo bele ntumi nka COVID-19 omo friend coronavirus ya be fa no e wodi bi omo de be ma no na so no se sa yare we ye ka Italy ha say obi mpie obi nko anamfa se uwo Accra untumi fi Accra ko Kumasi uwo Kumasi so untumi fi Kumasi emba Accra ana ebia wo tema untumi nko Accra ana ebia ufi Kumasi untumi nko Bolga ana we ya sa system we na e was into back Roma obia ehede mu e Italy ha say ewia se no etucha kisesi ana Italy ye na etoso second enye agrodie intino ye ka kire immigration officers me fan say any custom police for nyama me fan say mo bo Ghana emba no omho ban ni say yeslemu bosumu aban etua obi aka yenyim ebi wo mu a omo de omakoma omo bibia no omo de sum oman no na so ye pamocho se mo gya nipa ba ko say cream because of ebia sika ana wo personal dia wo enti wo gya no na otumi bia de ne bewre mu kwa dia wa ha Ghana for beble Mami share efi Ghana airport, Kotoka International Airport. Me who say mo dey we temperature scanner mo dey see on mo bi ba mo da fam na enuma so na ma check say ni temperature ana bi sa fine. Mo ye bi there, but I was mo say here more street e was so because Italy in I talk to the second e we ase coronavirus na ma yentumi mpie obi a hyede mu. Eni na ma mi dey ni bre ye sa video we e ma mo no. At the same time no if I say Togo, Afrawo border, and Afrawo with Togo Ghana border, no migration officers and custom officers, and Pamucho most making some screening obia, and then somebody temperature and still be massacre. Now we are not going to say, Bia, or making sure say, we better take all the measures and what to say or call in and out in most because I think say I didn't be a PA a wall. If I say Nigeria. Ebum say be pie e wo Togo enye na me hwe but e pese mo boy mo hu ban because side we enya be Ghana obedi e rough at the same time you know from Cote d'Ivoire border any Ghana to Cote d'Ivoire border no a wo ho no ye pamocho ye sremo immigration officers custom officers any military for am wo no ye sremo pa say mo be more vigilant amaye upa Italia ka pan obekọ no first no na ye police for na ye the see soldiers who ko be cross from Abia Napoli to Rome on be control say who going for one hotel unto ya sawechi companies on me cross ejume everyone say ejume juma stores on market to even kwa who go so market akato ade supermarket kura na obi abeg dina abonten Baako cost market look funny dia obefa awie na asana wa ko na pesa say nipa 1000 na cost market am be den eye enibri asem pa na make no at the same time empono so no ships na airba no navy for mo na mo empono so mo make sure say mo be screening mo empono so pa ye because China for na wo use boats no omo de be re mu atama habo na takwade habo Ghana for on be di enwa rough Inti yeslebu pa say mu ye more vigilant eni mo habo like tama habo obi aka say bia wanye but wa ship ade no online na nyama no bia wa fle o ma ship ade na fi ho no aba ade na eba no if China make sure say an if be eba Italy kra na make sure be ye more careful e wo sa nyama no because ade na bedu a enye easy sa COVID-19 no enye easy COVID aye COVID now the 19 ato yare no edin no intesi ano ye nibria sampa na ye ma fa say ye bo hu deuro e wo bebia no sesi ano say bi berea Ghana na ebia like example mo amfo trotro Ghana obi anim say obi afo trotro so nipa ne fo trotro na obi ti wo mu ana bibia ebe ka nipa beble nipa no trotro ba ko pe onya no za nipa no be si wo trotro no be next trotro another trotro mu obesan spread ana mo fasa ebia buses no whether buses train aba o Ghana mu ni na mo de ko bibia o so mo ye careful sadi we ekepie wo Tama station ana Tama market ho no mo a e wo Accra ebe di amanfo enya ana ebe pie o Tama community 1 market na wo ho no mo ebe di amanfo enya beble ana Mokola market a wo Accra adi sadi we nya du obesa nipa abo apiso wo ho no mo no ebe di nipa enya pa nti eye one am fa say eye to ema obi bia immigration officers nyama ne say momboa because Ghana nipa dodo na aboabo omhoano no mutonton ade like keketia market a ewo Kumasi ni nsanyama wani nia no keketia market ni sanyama ni nia no nipa no so oma abo apim wo no say obi kedrem abrochi no mombo mbe so sa ade na so hwe sa de ni spedi nti yeslamu na monhwe hu ye pa eni sa nchia na ya Ghana for akom ho so mu chi obi say oh enua we there good morning good afternoon say chia no etwem nipa no kana sa obechi ana hu cha de sa nchia we ya fa say me ni madam for ye chia mo amohwe sa nchia we it's about we need to ya into sa nchia we no just simple ebeboa wonemi enua ha say abrochi ha say ana Italy mi wa ye say esi ano obi ampie obi ankomba nyama na wa ha say me aya de suade nti me see ha say no enye say me see ha say because of ebia adibia eyefa nti sa video we no make some be share ma obi enye bi sa max we na esi a obi abontin ya obi a oyusu bi edi fam na no wo sha first start we no eye mienu ahoma na mienu first round no eko ebepem asisi na second one we no assign aba besi baby meta we no meta we no umia mani fa ohini shape no pepe say e mani bo bagasa me ma bibia entumi enkom after adie we no sa adie we a eye amokina we a omode huru omusa no I said chemicals o ma mix ekum virus no enti no upia bonti uko toilet uko baby ana emergency before you sabeka wano ana ohene ana weni ana ubebi make sure say we mia ketue bi ewo say na uda to nsem uda to nsem a just some few seconds what you say ya afa nsem asana bi adibia obeye bia waye at the same time no you have different type another type so enye nti eno so the same thing we check na ebe ya na we use when is car ubenya bia na opesa type na wunya just normal tissue papers a omuton tissue paper omuton say no utumi to ba ko a say na wo sa type of alcohol we na wo fia we normal alcohol we need to fa bottle kata application ya correct application na amafo no Ghana na if I say omonuma we no oto a sa de we say be so me hwe egu ade we emu say no wuhwe esokisa paper we a say be sa me ye no one sa we na kasa no just paper in a rubber ewo ho na watum nti wo kedu baby na bia by emergency watena transfer mu watena taxi mu ana bia usi a wonya eyi a say no wo hwe a we no wo ho dada alcohol ewo ho ehiem because we ehyo pocket na for because rubber wo enso paper no when you so na wo the year we a and fan share pocket no that's mean a ewo wo chen no ball ade wo mu no na wo da atumu at the same time no say ebi alcohol we plan na wo ni bi kura na wo paper ni bi a ana tissue we bi a wo di Dettol fan say obi ani say Dettol eni na ekum emboa no wo di bi egum a the same thing obetumi eyusu na wo da paper unsa anyway ya ma me mo amoton enam ewo dwem anamoton in toast ene nyama mate fo mo amodi sika eye we modi send nyama bank fo ni we ni nia no sade onya so ekoma mo sika na nipa ni yima wo no nipa no wa ntegu ni sem se e bia 18 odegu ni sem wonim wo no wa nipa ni sa wa horo nsa oyi sika no ewo ni pocket ode amawo James no e bia ka sika na ode amawo nti yesre obi bia uso sika mo yes send we make sure so be su sa chemicals we bi alcohol and Dettol now that paper unsa se nsu a etene ewo ho a make sure so we the same na ni sako wo be wo unsa nsu a etene mu enya nsu a eta ho na nsu wo rubber mu no nsu etene a eko na wo usa ewo ho kama na ube to me a sa just normal box we are ewo ho no ma fa say o hospital doctors use no sa ade plastic one we bi udimate we a doctor ana we a we bi a na nya sa ade we bi wo share say ya wo dwem ana we a plastic na omude ya we no ehemu beble kwa sa box we ehemu beble kwa nti no ehemu no check a wo mu about 100 pieces wo market wo ton ade obi jiska na wo Nigeria before we didi anobe ya ade bia ono be so ade bi ana obakura wo nche be so ni mu no sa globes we o say wo yi yan keep san shebio wo yi a to chene ase nti no ade a wo be ya a be boa wo ankasa ne say sa we ube yi a motion system a meyi ama mi sa enka mi sa eni ne udu sa so hase na watching we yin nya ema ne because we so say we yi nti no we yes sa na udi we no so abe so we mu say eno so na udi yi we ya still we so enka ya nti na we yi sa we yi ya na udi we no eso we mu na udi yi na eno so no udi gu bole mu the same thing na eno so no etumi aboa sesia uche bi sesia baby a coronavirus ana COVID-19 edua me pese me bobo ba mu hwe sa chat we a me de to ase no mo hwe sama mo baby a China eda sama mo baby a Italy eda second enye ade fan say ya agrodie kura sesia no se me say ebia me be komu beble a me pese because of time intino me pese me kan beble but we share see a chat is see now China omo that first with 8,783 me fan say see no o menye bi e mo 3,158 o say amuhu no eye nkofo am fan say omo ewu ina omo ayare ba echi omo tumi asurvive to say eye 61,481 say samuhu ewo board no so no one in Italy so ye na to what second with what point of 10,149 omo se see eye 631 omo ko hospital nyame aduma ebia ade na antake omo faster omo tuma so mo yare no eye 1,004 enya 1,004 se me se mebobo certain na but we dey won no mo amhwe a wo be Iran na isi ano etoso na de third one South Korea na etoso fourth Spain etoso fifth France etoso that sixth Germany etosu 7 and US etosu 8. Won intin see emebobo sa wa kapem intin yasramu video way a many resampa emma migration officers for custom officers, police and army, navies are more ponoso mun protect here. Air force mun make sure say mo so mo kosoro e mun say we be airport we na because mo kosoro na be mun say military for custom immigration for no one men do kwa ubotom intino wo be ade later no ebe crazy disaster ama oman Ghana because ama for oman winter adewe no enchi blast but enya bedu ho no intino wo be do say ebia ahoto na mama ya no poto kasa kakra bi efento. Please, the demonstration which I am doing or what I'm just explaining, I'm explaining something which is involved of what? Coronavirus. It's a virus which now it is killing a lot of people. Or there's another name called it, which they have just given to this coronavirus. It is called COVID-19. This COVID-19, they are all in what? In the same group of what? The coronavirus. But because this thing appeared 2019 in China, and many people are dying. On this, and Italy, I'm speaking right here in Italy. Nobody goes out and no one comes, and it's very, very serious issue. So please, we are sending this message across everywhere. The immigration officers, the customs, the soldiers, and the police. Please try to help our nation Ghana, because if this thing comes or this thing enter into Ghana, it's going to be a disaster. Don't watch your pockets, so that you collect bribes from someone to allow the person to pass through the bushcraft or bushway to enter to Ghana. If the person enter to Ghana, we are doomed, you know. So please, we are just telling you, please make sure this time you be a little bit straight. Don't watch that, because if you just leave one person, it is the same one person who has entered into Italy, and now we are the second topics of this COVID-19. So please, the Ghana Immigration Service, Ghana Police Service, please try to send this or share this video to any custom, every police, any soldier, or all the ministers you know in Ghana, that this is not a joke. I'm speaking right here in Italy, and we are the second. You can follow me on YouTube, Malik, and you space Capone 96 on YouTube. For more videos, we are going to, but like I've just shown, we use this one to cover our nose to make sure we not breathe this virus from another person. And we use this amokina and this to just clean our hands. It's not something big, just a drop. Just a drop of this will just make sure everything will be what? Okay. Just a drop like this, everything will be okay. You use it to rub your arms to make sure to disinfect, to kill all the germs. As I just said, or I just explained it in the tree. I'm just doing it in English for you to understand it. So, everyone, this alcoholic alcohol, the same thing, you can just pour it in the inside this paper, this facility or tissue, like just like this. If you think your area, you don't have this kind of amokina or something to use. This thing is just simple. Or if you don't have the alcohol, this alcohol, just normal alcohol, if you go to every bar in Ghana or everywhere, you're going to get it. Or so. And the same thing, they have this tissue in different type. You can use the same tissue, you can just put Dettol to put it inside, and we can use it. And the distance between you and another person must be 1 meter. You must make sure that they're going to be 1 meter, so that it's going to help your brother through communication. So please, the immigration service and the custom and police, try to make sure you are the immigration office to guide, make sure control human beings who are coming from outside the country. Make sure you are going to do it. The customs, the same thing, and the same thing. Police, make sure you are going to help and be a little bit vigilant. And the navies on the sea. Ghana, Kodaka International Airport, or Tamale Airport, or Okmas Airport, or all the airports, try to be more vigilant, because this, if you appear is in Ghana, we don't have any place to stand. And the same thing I've just explained. Try to use this kind of plastic, like how I've just explained it in the tree. Just use this plastic in your arms, just simple like this. Whether you are in the market, you are selling something, or anywhere you are, just use this plastic to exchange. And if you want to sneeze right here. If you know you don't have the tissue to sneeze in it, and after that, don't put it inside of your pocket, throw it in the dustbin, but try to use it. And how to remove it? It's just like this. Pack and use the same thing. Don't hold your arms. You make sure that this plastic is going to touch, and you are going to remove it from your hand. That's a little bit I want to just tell you. Try to save your brother, try to save your family, and try to save what? The nation. I am Capone 96. I came with love, and I came in peace. I'm saving my life. I am in the soup, and I know what I'm saying. I am right in Italy, and we are the second. As the chart, which is there, is telling you. Just see it, and you know that I'm not joking. So, follow me on YouTube, Malik Capone 96. At the same time, on Facebook, Malik Capone 96. Make sure you are going to subscribe and like and share, so that my next video we are going to get it anytime, anywhere, at any moment. I love you with one love. Bye. Ciao.